Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you about our group's new project Warm Heart. Warm Heart is a web application aimed for the public welfare of all WKU students. And here is our 4 group members. Our presentation goes to the 3 parts. The first part is the introduction to the overall project. Briefly introduce you to the idea why we built this project and introduce you about our 4 team members. The second part is the application structure. We will give you the brief introduction to the client side structure and also the server side structure. Well, the third part is we will do you the demonstration about and navigate you through our website. Okay, let's go to the first part. Well, as you can see, this is our logo, the red big heart. And for this project, we want to build a platform that can incorporate the public welfare and social network together, which means our goal is that it is public welfare plus social networking. So for our target users, they are WQ students and also WQ different kinds of departments and professors. For the social network, it is our one main function for our app. Users can post their applications and also any thoughts about different kinds of issues and discuss them. And just like other social network applications, Twitter, Facebook, they can like and comment on each other. And for the public welfare, well, different kinds of organizations, they can post some volunteering activities and attract students to join in. Well, users who are interested in it, they can view it and maybe find out the contact and they can gain more interests about these projects. And here's our team members. For Kailin, he's responsible for the functions design and also the server-side programming. Jin Xiaotian, which is me, and I'm responsible for the client-side programming, database design, and also this demonstration. And Song Liang, he's responsible for the UI design, document engineering, and he's also the main tester. Wu Siyan, he's responsible for the functions design, server API design, and also the server-side programming. And here is our second part of our presentation. It is the application structure. Our application, well, basically it is a RESTful web application. It builds on the REST API, which means it is a client-server application. And the server is stateless, so it doesn't actually store any information about the client. And this application uses a uniform interface. Well, in our case, we use the JSON for data exchange, and then we also obey the HTTP protocols like all those actions: get, put, delete, post, and kind of like that. And for our client-side structure, well, it is a React application, so React, yeah, it is a popular JS web framework, very famous for designing the user interface. Well, its main features is that it's declarative and it's also component based. So we kind of like design all kinds of components and try to combine them and into all kinds of pages. And we also use Redux for managing our data. It is a help state container for the JS apps. It helps us to manage the data in store. So with help of Redux, we can get easily to figure out the actions happening, the data passing by. And the third important part is the Material UI. And it is a popular UI design library for providing the React components. So we can build very beautiful and also concise user interface using it. And for the server side, Node.js is a JS runtime built on the V8 engine, so it provides us the ability to run JS code on the server side. And with the Google Firebase, it is a platform where we can build and deploy apps. So our warm heart application runs on the Firebase, kind of like Heroku and many other platforms, and you can hosting your apps. So it also give us the convenience, the databases and other storages. For the web server, we use Express.js. It is a fast and small web frameworks. It is lightweighted, so it doesn't cost much. Okay, now goes to our demonstration part. Let's open a website and we type the URL here, warm heart and web and app, and it goes to our page. As you can see here, the left part is all the posts posted by the users, and the right part is the profile, but you haven't logged in, so you cannot see anything. And here is the post posted by students and professors. As you can see, here's the cell, which is me, and I post a post 3 days ago, and here goes to 2 professors, and also a user uses a cat picture, and also another user. Okay, since we haven't logged in, so we cannot likes, and if we click like, we will be redirected to the login page. Let's do something and let's log up. Let's sign up as a new user called Kel, and we'll name it kel@mail.com. Oh, I'll rename it to Jinx. And we give it, and as you can see, I purposely typed the second password wrong. Let's see what will happen. And the server reminds me that the 2 password doesn't match, so we need to change the password so that they matches each other. Then we sign up. Okay, we successfully log in, and you can see here's my name, and here's my status, and here's my department, and here's where I join this application. just like other social apps. Well, now I would like to, upload the images. So let's upload some images. Let's just randomly upload some images. As you can see, now we can see our profile like this. And also we can edit our profile, so make it more complete. Here's, some biography about myself, which I'll say common student. And current program means, well, the program I currently am participate in. I'll just say, maybe CS Lab member. And location, and which means where am I now? I'll say maybe campus, and I'll plus save. And after reloading, you can see he goes to all my profiles. My profiles goes more complete. Okay, let's do some like. For like style, and here it goes to a 4-star. And also, I like it. It's like all the posts. Okay, cool. And here you can see all those comments. One comment. Let's do some comment. Let's see. And here's I'll post a new program event. I'll say I am interested in your new program. Where can I find more details? Okay. And after we click the submit, you can see here is our comments. Okay, and let's log out. Let's log in as the Sao. And here's my email and my password. Oh, great, we successfully log in. And you can see because I received notifications here, the ring bell, because I just like my own posts. So yeah, here says like my post 2 minutes ago. Great. And I can see his comments right here. Well, if you don't, let's say I don't like my profile, I'll upload a new profile. Maybe it's my real picture. And okay, and after reload the page, and you can see here goes to my real picture. Also change it in my post. And maybe I'll post another. And if I want to post, here's title and here's anything. Maybe I can write about my program or any other subject. I'll say hello. Well, I'll say nothing special. Well, I just post something, And after I post it, I can see here goes to my new post. And we can, well, because it's posted by ourselves, so we can see the trash icon here, but for others post we cannot see here. So here is for the delete. If I delete, I'll please delete. Cool. And now here's our here's home, here's post, and here's the event part. Well, in the event part, here it says Warm Heart projects, and here lists all the projects were posted by the departments or staff or the professors. As you can see, some professors need you to, well, take care of his cat since he's going back to the US. And he is also about the graduation ceremony organized by the student government. And here's the due date, and here's some descriptions you can see. And we can go back to home by clicking here. Since, well, for our future design for our application, well, we would like, we don't want anyone to post the warm heart projects because it should be authenticated like super user. They can post all those projects. So, well, for our future plan, we would like to build the super user system where you can log in as super user or administrator, so you can post your own projects. But currently we didn't support that. And that's it. Thank you guys for listening to this, and thank you guys.